The foundation will be a floating slab foundation, 11.5 feet by 42 feet long, about 4 to 6 inches thick. And as you can see here, the forms for the foundation are 2x6 lumber. And so I leveled and squared the forms, leveled the entire area, and then staked the forms in place with steel, 18-inch long steel rebar pins made for staking forms. And so as you can see, I'm getting ready for the concrete pour in just a few days. We'll have a big concrete truck come in here and just fill those forms with concrete. This is not a code foundation for a residential structure, but I'm able to utilize this for a small tiny house like I'm building here in Cochise County, where I got an owner builder opt out for permits, so I don't have to comply with that. And this foundation will be adequate for the small, very small house and garage that I'm building. It's more like a garage foundation. So right now you're looking at the main plumbing structure that I've assembled and that will shortly be going into the ditch in the ground right behind it in the foundation. On the left is the drain and vent for the toilet. In the middle is for the bathroom sink. Towards the right is for hooking up a kitchen sink and a utility sink, and then also the drain and vent for the shower. And then off to the right, that will go then out from underneath the foundation. I added a clean out stub there, and then that main 3-inch pipe will continue out then to the septic tank, which will be installed later. So in a little bit, I'm going to pick that up and then place it in these ditches that I have dug. And the slope going out is about 1/4 inch for each foot, or an inch slope per 4 feet. And you can go a little bit less than that too, but that's just a gradual slope that will then, the wastewater and sewage will flow in this direction and then go out to the septic system there. So the next video I will show then how things look when we're just getting ready to pour the concrete.